Hi, welcome to 335 Rathburn, Unit 203. Located in downtown Mississauga, close to everything. You gotta come check it out. Let's take a look. Unit 203 is the highly desirable Saturn model. 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, open concept living with an oversized balcony and 10-foot ceilings and boasting over 800 square feet of living space. The kitchen boasts newer stainless steel appliances looking out onto the living space. Recent upgrades in the last 2 years include a custom walk-in closet, updated modern flooring, stainless steel appliances, and a fresh paint job. Amenities in this building include concierge service, an exercise room, gym, indoor pool, a party and meeting room, a library. After a long hard day of work, why not come home and enjoy the hot tub? For the young families out there and those who like to swim a few lengths, the pool, I can attest, is fabulous. The bowling alley is a fantastic feature. This condo comes complete with 1 parking spot as well as an end unit locker. A feature current owners enjoy is being located on the 2nd floor, means with just 1 flight of stairs, you can be on the ground level. 335 Rathburn is a great location. Mere steps from Sheridan College, Square One, Celebration Square, countless restaurants and entertainment options. It also has immediate access to the 403 and other public transportation facilities. About Unit 203 at 335 Rathburn, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Mayer-Harman team. Our contact information will follow this video. Thanks for watching.